Alright, so it is 4:30 in the morning and I'm just getting out of the juicy snooze. Two-minute walk from the airport. Alright, so I just made it to Bali. I'm gonna be here for about 2 weeks and I thought I'd give you an idea of what I'm doing here. So I decided that during those 2 weeks I was gonna try and vlog with the GoPro Hero 7 and just test it out. It's gonna be a lot of trial and errors and I'm gonna experience. I've only had the camera for like a few days. So I'm staying at a two-star hotel in Kuta in Bali. And it's a nice hotel. It's not the fanciest one, it's not beachfront, but I managed to make a deal with them and I'll tell you more about it in the next videos that I will make. But yeah, I had almost 10 hours of flights in 2 different flights and now I'm pretty tired and I'm gonna join some friends later on to go for dinner. But first I'm gonna enjoy this nice welcome fruit plates. I made it to the restaurant where I'm supposed to meet my friends, and well, they're not here yet, and I don't have a SIM card, so I don't have any way to contact them at the moment. So I'm just gonna wait. It'll be interesting to see how well they can hear me with all the traffic noise that there is. And while I'm waiting for them, there's no reason I can treat myself, so I ordered a bintang. I haven't had one of those since last time I came to Asia, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Cheers. And I haven't seen my friends for years as well, so I'm really excited to catch up with them again. Yeah, I think one of them arrived. Brother!